This video will show you how to set up wind in RockSim-Pro. So wind is set up in the prepare for launch screen. So you'll click on here and then you'll come over here to wind table. So now this is different from RockSim because we're allowed to have different wind speeds and different directions at different altitudes in the sky. The important thing to note here is that our altitude is above sea level. So when you're starting out, the first thing you should look at is what altitude you're at the launch field. So you'll go to launch conditions and then look at your altitude. So for this particular launch site, my altitude is 846 feet above sea level. So my first altitude here has to be that 846. So I'm going to add, so there's a add button down here, and this will be my first wind speed, and it's at 846 feet above sea level. The direction is the compass direction. So a 0 degrees compass direction means that the wind is coming out of the north. If it was 90 degrees, that means that it's coming out of the east. If it's minus 90 or 270, it is coming out of the west. So I'm going to put in 270. And again, south would be 180 degrees. And then you're going to give it a velocity. So I'll call it 8 miles per hour. So now at this point, we only have wind right at the surface level of the launch. So as soon as it goes to 847 feet, there's no wind. So we need to set a higher wind speed here. So I'm going to add another level. And so this time, I don't know how high the rocket's going to go, but I want a steady state wind. So I'll put in maybe 3,000 feet. So I'll add 3,000 feet to 846. So 3,846 feet. And again, I'm going to have it coming from the 270 direction, which is out of the west. And then I'll make it 8 miles an hour. And I can save this as a wind table. So I'll just put 8 miles per hour out of west. And I'll save that wind table. So now it's saved. So when I want to use it again in the future, I can use it. I'll click OK, and then we'll go to flight profile and watch this rocket take off. So here's the rocket sitting on the launch pad, and I'm going to go to a trajectory view just to kind of get the lay of the land. So the rocket is right here sitting on this field. North is the black arrow, so I'm going to point north straight up. Again, my rocket is right here. So now we have wind coming out of the west blowing across the field this way. So we expect the rocket to drift towards the east. So I'm going to tilt my camera a little bit so we can get kind of a perspective, and then we'll launch this rocket. So the rocket's taking off, and you can see that the wind is blowing towards the east, and the rocket is weathercocking into the wind towards the west. Now at this point, the parachute has come out, and the rocket is drifting downwards towards the east. And it's going to land right there. So that is a steady state wind. One of the things that you can do with this, if you're unsure, you can just set this to sea level at 0 feet. And so now we really haven't changed anything. So the rocket doesn't feel anything until it takes off. So if we go to a flight profile again, it will be exactly the same.